Welcome to the May Wealth Management Update. My name is Katherine Liola, President and Founder of CONCENTRIC Private Wealth. In May, we are celebrating and honoring our recent college graduates with a special focus on our high school seniors who are about to head off to new schools in the fall. This is the first time for many of these individuals that they're going to be on their own, making very important decisions without their support structures. This summer is a great opportunity to help prepare them for some of these decisions and also help them make the most of the opportunity. First and foremost, help them understand the importance of going to class and what, as a family, had to be sacrificed for them to be able to do this. Yes, of course, it's important to go to class to get good grades and to be able to support their future ahead, but it's also helpful to have them understand what that class is equivalent to. For example, perhaps a vacation or a hobby or an activity. That's something that they can understand. When we talk about tuition for an entire year, that for many is a little too overwhelming. So if you break it down, that might help incent them going to class so they're not just having money go down the drain. 2, talk to them about credit cards. There's going to be a lot of opportunities for them to sign up for a credit card on campus. And it's amazing how incentives such as a free t-shirt or other things will incline people to sign up. So you want to talk to them about credit cards, the positives and the negatives, and perhaps also considering structuring some type of credit card use for them where there are some limitations and protections so that they can't have a large level of credit card debt. Also, check in with them about what the credit card is there for. In addition to that, help them understand the importance of paying bills. In freshman year, we don't see this as much, but it still can happen where they are signing up for bills, whether it's utility bills for some type of living arrangement that they might have with roommates or something else. But if credit card bills or other bills are not paid, these things can absolutely negatively impact their credit. So the importance of paying bills and having an open line of communication is key. Setting up a budget with them for how they're going to spend their spending money, whether it's money that they've earned on their own or money that you're going to be sharing with them. For these kids, they're going to be faced with decisions as far as whether they're buying water off campus or on campus, whether they're buying pizza late night, whether they are buying an extra t-shirt for a friend's birthday party, whatever it is. Help them understand how to set up a budget and start practicing it this summer so that when they are off on their own, that they can actually implement it effectively. Also help them understand the importance of being themselves. They're going to have opportunities to be part of so many different organizations. They're going to have opportunities to sign up for different classes, to buy certain things. If they can at least come to and be centered around what is important to them and what each of these decisions is intended for, that will hopefully help minimize spending that's not actually going to be important to them. Switching gears to the equity markets, we really just wanted to take a brief moment to let you know that while we continue to monitor the markets, as well as all of the headlines that are going on domestically and internationally, it's important to note that volatility continues. And while we see a lot of opportunity in the markets as well as in the economy, that level of volatility is expected to continue and likely rise. So if there's any questions that you have, we would really want to have a one-on-one conversation with you specific to your investment strategy and to discuss whether any changes should be taken to make sure that you are comfortable with the strategy short-term and long-term. We are going to continue to look at everything going on. If there's anything that we do need to communicate, we will absolutely reach out to you. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're Concentric Private Wealth, centered on what matters most. Thank you so much for joining us today.